Welcome to Skye's the Limit. Please like and subscribe.
Bottle cups challenge, but since we don't have bottle cups, so we will use this blocks, and this increases hand-eye coordination, build healthy parent-child relationship, and promote family bonding, and help children to work out how to gracefully accept both losing and winning. So we'll just need this, and we'll use some popsicle sticks. Where's your popsicle sticks, Skye? Here. Okay, so have popsicle sticks, and then this one. Practice na ta. So use anak teha. Look at mommy. Follow mommy. Then we'll have a game with Kuya later. So use this at teha. Transfer.
Very good. Very good, ate, oy. Very good.
Use the popsicle stick.
Very good. It's hard.
Use the popsicle stick. No, you're cheating now. Use the popsicle stick. No. Okay, another game. Use the sticks. Only the sticks. Don't hold it with your hands. Just the stick. Okay, very good. That's good. Very good. Good job. Okay, and then try it using with the sticks. Just with the stick, ate. Okay, and then you can try anak. Okay. One more, one lang, one.